thank you for joining me today. So I thought that I would just do a haul video because I've been getting a couple requests for haul videos. So I placed an order with Dr. P.H. Martin's. They're known for their really high-end inks, watercolor inks. They just have a very good reputation with the quality. So I have one set of the Hydrus inks and I love them. So I just thought that I would get some more. So I will share with you guys what I got. First, I got the Dr. P.H. Martin's Hydrus set number 2. So the set number 2 basically just has more colors. It comes with 12. And there are 3 different sets of these. So I already have set 1. So I got set 2 and 3. And basically with the Hydrus watercolors, they're pigment-based, acid-free, they're archival, which basically means that they're good for long-term contacts. And they're also light-fast, so they're not prone to lose their color. And you can mix them. They're non-clogging. They have the dropper top. And they're good for use with a brush, airbrush, technical pen, and a dip pen. But you can be creative with them too if you'd like. But they're very, very vibrant in color. Oh, and the reason why I'm missing one here is actually one leaked in the package when I got it. So I just washed everything off because it was completely covering everything. And I sent an email to the company and they're actually pretty good about getting back. They were really good about getting back to me when I first asked them a question. So I'm just kind of waiting for their response. So that's why one is missing. I had to wash everything off. So this set just comes with different colors, but they're all really, really beautiful colors. And when you use them, it's a really rich color. And you don't need much. You can add 1 drop and you can get really vibrant work with just 1 drop. So next, I got the Dr. P.H. Martin's Radiant watercolor, Radiant Concentrated watercolor. This is set D. And I love all those pinks that it includes and also those blues as well in this set. So the Radiants are dye-based. They're non-clogging, transparent, non-toxic. They also have the dropper top, and these ones are the 1/2 ounce or the 15 milliliter bottles. And they're designed for use with a brush, airbrush, or a technical pen. And there are 56 different colors in this line. There's 14 colors in this set. And then I'll show you the other sets that I got as well. So this is D. This is C, so you can see the difference in the colors. But I'm like a sets kind of a person. Like if I get a set, then I feel like I just have to have them all to complete the set. I feel incomplete until I get every piece to the set. I know that's bad, but it's like, I think it's a real feeling. So this is set C, and they all come with the different colors. If you guys do want to see a swatch video with all the swatches, let me know down below. I don't know if you guys want to see that or if that's not something that people want to watch. This is set B. Love those reds, purples, and blues. Super bright, super pretty. Also, when it came packaged, it was very well packaged. With all these glass bottles, it had so much bubble wrap on it that it wasn't gonna break. And actually, the one that was leaking, it's not because there was a crack in the bottle. The lid, actually, there was something wrong with the lid, so that's actually why it was leaking. That slate blue looks really pretty too. Okay, and this is the last set that I got. This is set A. I don't really know how they choose their sets, if it's based on warm or cool tones, but I just figured I'd get them all. So, and then I also got the bleed proof white. These are awesome for white. Anything white that you're doing, if you're doing galaxies, they're great for stars. If you're lettering, it's really, really great for lettering as well. And you can change the consistency just by adding some water. And then I got these Dr. P.H. Martin Black Star Waterproof India ink. One is matte and one is high carb. So I will have to try those out and let you guys know what the difference is. And then there's these two iridescent calligraphy color inks in copper plate gold and copper. They look really pretty and shimmery. And that is about it as far as my haul goes. So let me know in the comments below if there's anything else you want to see. If you want to see swatches, let me know and I'd be happy to do a video on swatches.